Hello there. So today I'm talking to you about my best hair kit that I'm adding to the One Collection. If you are unfamiliar with the One Collection, it means there's only one, maybe two, but likely there's only one. But for this my best hair kit, there is going to be two. So it is going to be a navy bonnet. Here's the navy bonnet. It is reversible and double lines. And there's going to be two. So there's one in a regular size and one in a medium size. And then it will come with the Lotus Scarf in peach. So you can see how the navy matches. I think it complements. That's why I chose it, because I thought it went very well together. And so if you're unfamiliar with the My Best Hair Kit, it's basically everything you need to have your best hair, to live your best hair life. You can use your scarf, you can wear your scarf, you can cover your pillow so you're not sleeping on satin. You can use it to cover your headrest on your car. So many options for your scarf. So that's the reason why I made the My Best Hair Kit. And then it comes with a medium scrunchie and then the satin storage bag. So there it is. So that is, like I said, there's two available in the One Collection. So when you're watching this, it may or may not be available. And I will not remake that combination. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can be up to date and informed on when there is a new drop in the One Collection or in the store in general. Love ya. Bye bye.